Inflammation is an essential, nonspecific response against tissue injury and various injurious agents invading the human body, such as viruses and bacteria. On the flip side, persistent, chronic inflammation is associated with conditions like diabetes, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Therefore, it is important to keep inflammation under control. Fortunately, there are many foods that can reduce inflammation in our body. So, let's take a look at the 7 best anti-inflammatory foods. Number 1. Dark vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, and kale. These vegetables are extremely nutritious and referred to as superfoods. Anti-inflammatory properties of these vegetables are due to the presence of antioxidants. In addition, eating a lot of dark vegetables is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer too. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, sardines, herring, and mackerel are among the best types. Our body metabolizes these fatty acids into compounds called resolvins and protections, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Number 3. Berries. Common types of berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are great sources of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These fruits are extremely nutritious and have a low glycemic index too. So even a diabetic patient can take some amount of berries daily. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are the richest source of the antioxidant lycopene. Tomato and its products improve antioxidant defenses and reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases. In addition, tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C, folate, and potassium. Number 5. Peppers. Bell peppers and chili peppers are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. The principal antioxidant in bell peppers is quercetin, while chili peppers containing sinapic acid and ferulic acid. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages available. It reduces the risk of heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, obesity, and many other conditions. Major antioxidant effects of green tea are due to a substance called epigallocatechin 3 gallate. It inhibits inflammation by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokine production and damage to the fatty acids. Number 7. Grapes. Grapes contain anthocyanins as their major antioxidant. Regular consumption of grapes is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, Alzheimer's disease, and eye disorders. They are also one of the best sources of resveratrol, another compound with great antioxidant properties. Okay, those are the 7 best anti-inflammatory foods. In addition to these, some worth mentioning anti-inflammatory foods include avocados, olive oil, nuts like almonds and walnuts, mushrooms, turmeric, and dark chocolate.